In a world that is becoming increasingly digital, we must protect our sensitive data from new threats. Security-related information must remain protected for years, even decades. However, if the development of powerful quantum computers progresses faster than expected, this data is at risk. The implementation of new cryptographic methods takes time during which our data remains vulnerable to quantum attacks. One particularly serious threat is the strategy known as harvest now, decrypt later. Attackers intercept encrypted data today to decrypt it in the future. Current asymmetric encryption methods, such as RSA and ECC, rely on so-called one-way functions. They are easy to compute but extremely difficult to invert. For example, multiplying two large prime numbers is easy, but reversing the process to find the original primes is extremely hard. However, the algorithms for quantum computers that can break these functions already exist. The Shor algorithm could decrypt RSA and ECC efficiently and quickly. The solution: post-quantum algorithms based on alternative mathematical concepts, such as lattices, decoding problems, or cryptographic hash functions. According to current knowledge, these encryption schemes cannot be cracked by quantum computers. Q-PrEP, the project on quantum-proofing European public administrations, is specifically designed and funded by the European Union to support and promote this transformation, paving the way for PQC in the public sector. NMWP and Capgemini Engineering will work with you on this mission. Help us protect Europe from cyber threats. Join Q-PrEP and safeguard our data sovereignty for the future.